being hailed as a tech shift that could reshape America's map. Google spending tens of billions of dollars to build 3 massive AI data centers in Texas, the biggest investment in the state's history. But what will it mean for the rest of the country? NewsNation's Xavier Walton is live in Dallas with the details. Xavier, good morning. Why is Google's investment in Texas such a big deal nationwide?
Hannah, good morning. Well, you know how the saying goes, everything is bigger in Texas, and that includes Google's $40 billion Texas data centers, signaling the largest or larger U.S. AI boom in the U.S. is here to stay, right? And they're not just the only ones claiming their stake here. On Friday, Governor Greg Abbott and Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced plans for 3 centers in Texas that power AI and cloud operations across the country, shifting, critical infrastructure away from Silicon Valley and expected to create hundreds of jobs here. Abbott saying in part of the statement, Texas is the epicenter of AI development where companies can pair innovation with expanding energy. We must ensure that America remains at the forefront of the AI revolution, and Texas is the place where that can certainly happen. Google's not alone in investing in Texas, rather, the AI boom here. Friday's announcement comes days after Anthropic, the startup behind Claude AI, said it would invest $50 billion in New York, in data centers in New York and Texas as well. So they're going to go online throughout the next year or so, which, as we know, is going to be here before you know it.
Yeah, interesting. I've been using Claude a lot more. It's becoming a household name for sure. Xavier, a lot of Americans are also noticing higher electric bills because of these AI data centers. Is this country ready for the power demands?
Well, we're going to have to get ready. I think that's certainly something that everybody is worried about, and that's a pressure point. The Department of Energy warning AI could double nationwide power demand by 2030, and Texas is the guinea pig. ERCOT, the state's grid operator, can now cut off large users if supply runs low. Google says it is adding solar and battery storage to take some stress off the grid, but experts say this is just the start of a national reckoning over energy and AI.
The question is, who pays for all of that infrastructure, those grid upgrades? And there is a risk that the data center operators are benefiting disproportionately from those energy investments, but then those costs are being distributed to the local ratepayers, the local consumers in those communities.
So what starts in Texas will certainly help decide how America powers artificial intelligence really for the next decade, Hannah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.